This gun's got a new nose. Let's see the welds here. Not terrible, a little bit of cleanup, but that's decent weld. Now this is where it gets interesting. This is a long shroud. You can see it basically right there. This section is a US section, US stampings. Mated to an MG3 rear end. As you can see, it needs a little bit of work. I mean, this is bad. That's bad. When we measured it with the old tape measure, 37 5/8 plus or minus an eighth is the spec on these. This is actually 37 and 3/8, so it's short, which all weird funky dunky going on. As it sits right now, the placement of the recuperator hole is too far to the rear, so the barrel kind of flops around in here and it doesn't push it far enough forward to actually pull it out of the barrel door. So it's short and built incorrect. So the other thing that we noted, the recuperator that's in here is a standard recuperator that ends over there. Let me get up a light here. See, it ends there. Well, normally, this part of your grip lug goes up inside the back of the receiver, and that is your recuperator stop. That doesn't exist on this gun because they went with the MG3 style, and the recuperator stop is right there in the rear, right there. So what this is going to need is actually an MG3 recuperator, which luckily we have some of those. So I do believe we will be able to salvage this thing. We really hate using US sections, but this gun is already built, so we'll see what we can do about it. Got another one sitting here for evaluation that we'll be doing here in a little while. Yeah. Anywho, Tuesday, doing some evaluations on these guns before we tear them down for rebuilds.